Good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Rajbari Government, Adorsho Women's College. Uh, Today we are going to read English first paper, uh, HSC Higher Secondary Certificate Examination that will be held in 2020. Due to the COVID-19 situation, the government has reduced the syllabus. For this reason, we are going to read English short syllabus. Today, we are going to read Unit 9. The title of the unit, Diaspora. And today we are reading chapter lesson 4. The title of the chapter, Bangladeshi Community in the UK. Bangladeshi community in the UK, and the serial number of classes according to the syllabus prescribed by National Curriculum and Textbook Board 52, 53 and 54. Now let us go to the synopsis, summary of the passage. From lesson 4, Bangladeshi community in UK. From time to time, Bangladeshi people have migrated to various parts of the world. Many Bangladeshi people have migrated to United Kingdom for various reasons. During 1930s, many Bangladeshi people migrated to Britain, and most of them are Sileti. After the Second World War, the British government asked labourers from their former colonies. The people of Sylhet took the chance and migrated to Britain. Gradually, they tried to establish a society there. During 1950s, the number of Bangladeshi migrants in Britain increased rapidly. The lower class, the middle class and the upper class people from Bangladesh migrated to Britain for higher education as well as for settling there. A recent survey shows that Bangladeshis occupy about 0.5% of the total population of the UK, United Kingdom. A recent survey shows these Bangladeshi diasporas mainly live in London, but they also live in other cities in England such as Oldham, Luton, Bradford and in Birmingham. These peoples are mainly Muslims. Though these people are living far from their native motherland, they are not completely detached from the motherland. বিভিন্ন সময়ে বাংলাদেশি লোকেরা বসবাসের জন্য পৃথিবীর বিভিন্ন অংশে পাড়ি জমিয়েছে। 1930-এর দশকে অনেক বাংলাদেশি ব্রিটেনে অভিবাসন নিয়েছে এবং অধিকাংশই সিলেটের। দ্বিতীয় বিশ্বযুদ্ধের পর ব্রিটিশ সরকার তাদের প্রাক্তন উপনিবেশ থেকে শ্রমিক নেওয়ার সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছিল। সিলেটের লোকেরা এই সুযোগ গ্রহণ করল এবং ব্রিটেনে পাড়ি জমালো। আস্তে আস্তে তারা সেখানে একটা সমাজ গড়ে তোলার চেষ্টা চালালো। 1950-এর দশকে ব্রিটেনে বাংলাদেশি অভিবাসীদের সংখ্যা বৃদ্ধি পেল। উচ্চশিক্ষা গ্রহণ এবং সেখানে স্থায়ী বসবাসের জন্য বাংলাদেশ হতে নিম্নবিত্ত, মধ্যবিত্ত এমনকি উচ্চবিত্ত শ্রেণীর লোকেরা ব্রিটেনে পাড়ি জমিয়েছিল। সাম্প্রতিক এক সমীক্ষায় দেখা যায় যুক্তরাজ্যে বসবাসরত বাংলাদেশিদের সংখ্যা সে দেশের জনসংখ্যার শতকরা 0.5 ভাগ। এই সমস্ত বাংলাদেশি অভিবাসী প্রধানত লন্ডনে বাস করে, কিন্তু তারা ওল্ডহ্যাম, লুটন, ব্র্যাডফোর্ড এবং বার্মিংহামের মতো অন্য শহরে বাস করে। এদের অধিকাংশ প্রধানত মুসলমান। যদিও এই সমস্ত লোকেরা তাদের মাতৃভূমি হতে বহুদূরে বাস করছে, তারা সম্পূর্ণভাবে তাদের মাতৃভূমি থেকে বিচ্ছিন্ন নয়। দিস ইজ দ্য সামারি সিনপসিস অফ দ্য প্যাসেজ বাংলাদেশি কমিউনিটি ইন দ্য ইউকে। সারাংশ: ওয়ার্ম আপ অ্যাক্টিভিটি, প্রস্তুতিমূলক কাজ। In the preceding lessons, we have looked at the lives of diasporic Bangladeshis in Greek land and Italy. The following passage, adapted from an academic essay by Tanzina Chowdhury, is about the history of Bangladeshi migrant to UK. Read it and then carry out the activities that ফলো। পূর্ববর্তী পাঠগুলোতে আমরা ব্রিকল্যান্ড এবং ইটালিতে বসবাসকারী অভিবাসী বাংলাদেশিদের জীবন সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করেছি। নিচের অনুচ্ছেদটি তানজিনা চৌধুরী রচিত একটি একাডেমিক প্রবন্ধ থেকে সংকলিত। যুক্তরাজ্যে বাংলাদেশিদের অভিবাসনের ইতিহাস সম্পর্কে এটি পড়ো এবং নিচের কাজগুলি করো। Now go to the text. Let us read the text. Bangladeshi community in the UK. Serial number of classes 52, 53, 54. Migration from Bangladesh to Britain started in 1930s and was predominantly a Sylheti phenomenon. Men of this particular geographical area employed by the British ship companies first started the process of migration. These men were largely illiterate and belonged to the landless peasantry. After the World War II, due to labor shortage, British government encouraged labor migration from its colonies. The post-war British economy demanded cheap and plentiful labor, mass of which was recruited from South Asia. Since Sylhet had already forged a strong link with the UK, most new labor was drawn from there. Sylhetis based in the UK helped each other to integrate into the new society by providing credit, arranging documents, and gradually spreading the network. During the 1950s, the numbers increased dramatically. However, along with the people from poor background, a small number of urban people, upper and middle class Bangladeshis, also migrated even before the World War II for higher education and settled in UK. According to the 2000 census, 283,060 Bangladeshis lived in the UK, which is 0.5% of the total population. In Britain, there are primarily concentrated in Greater London, and the third generation of Bangladeshi population, those born and bred in Britain, constitute half of the community. The largest Bangladeshi population outside London is located in Oldham, and the others are scattered across Birmingham, Luton, and Bradford. British Bangladeshis are predominantly Muslims. Studies reveal that the second and third generation Bangladeshis seem to uphold their Muslim identity rather than their identity as Bangladeshis. However, the absence of a strong tie does not mean that Bangladeshi economy is completely detached from their homeland. In the era of globalization and social networking, like other diaspora communities, British Bangladeshis are linked to their countries of origin by phone, mail, internet, and television. By the virtue of technological advancement, communication of news is rapid and sustained, which gives migrants communities a sense of belonging to multiple homes. In particular, the first generation of migrants continues to regard Bangladesh as central to their identity. Now let us go to the question and answer section. Answer the following question. Question number A. Who were the first generation of Bangladeshis to migrate from Sylhet, and how did they migrate? Illiterate and landless men of Sylhet who were employed by the British ship companies were the first generation of Bangladeshis to migrate to the UK. After the World War II, the British government decided to draw cheap labor from the former colonies. As Sylhet had already established a strong link with the UK, and the landless and illiterate Sylhetis got the opportunity to migrate there. ব্রিটিশ জাহাজ কোম্পানিগুলো দ্বারা নিয়োজিত সিলেটের অশিক্ষিত এবং ভূমিহীন লোকেরাই বসবাসের জন্য যুক্তরাজ্যে যাওয়া বাংলাদেশিদের প্রথম প্রজন্ম। দ্বিতীয় বিশ্বযুদ্ধের পর ব্রিটিশ সরকার তাদের প্রাক্তন উপনিবেশগুলো হতে সস্তায় শ্রমিক নেওয়ার সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছিল। যেহেতু ইতোমধ্যে সিলেট যুক্তরাজ্যের সাথে একটা মজবুত সম্পর্ক স্থাপন করেছিল, অশিক্ষিত এবং ভূমিহীন সিলেটবাসীরা সেখানে যাওয়ার সুযোগ পেল। Who are the second generation of Bangladeshis in Britain, and what reason did they have for going to Britain? Question number B. ব্রিটেনে বসবাসের জন্য যাওয়া বাংলাদেশি দেশের দ্বিতীয় প্রজন্ম কারা, আর ব্রিটেনে যাওয়ার পেছনে কারণ কি? A small number of upper and middle class Bangladeshis were the second generation of Bangladeshi migrants in Britain. They have gone to Britain for higher education and settled there. Question number C. Which class dominated over the first two generations of Bangladeshi migrants to Britain? Were all the migrants in the 1950s were illiterate and poor? A small number of upper urban and middle class Bangladeshis who went to Britain for higher education and settled there, dominated over first two generation of Bangladeshis migrants. No, all the migrants of 1950s were not illiterate and poor. Question number D. Where do Bangladeshi migrants prefer to settle down in Britain? ব্রিটেনে বাংলাদেশি অভিবাসীরা কোথায় স্থায়ীভাবে বসবাস করতে পছন্দ করে? In Britain, Bangladeshi migrants prefer to settle down in Greater London, Oldham, Birmingham, Luton and Bradford. Question number E. How do Bangladeshi migrants in Britain connect to their country at this time? Bangladeshi migrants in Britain connect to their country to phone, mail, internet and television at this time. According to the passage, which generation of Bangladeshi migrants is most closely connected to Bangladesh and which generation feels the least for the country? Question number F. According to the passage, the first generation of Bangladeshi migrants is most closely connected to Bangladesh and the third generation feels the least for the country. This is an academic essay based on research and surveys. Point out words and phrases used in the passage that indicate the academic nature of writing. Words and phrases used in the passage that indicate that academic nature of the writing are phenomenon. After the World War II, strong linked Sylhetis arranging documents grammatically according to census present predominantly studies reveal. The passage is organized on the basis of chronology. For example, in order of occurrence of in time. Show how the writer carefully organizes the information assembled in the passage according to time periods and generation. The writer here shows how the first generation migrated to Britain in 1930s. Then came the description of cheap labor recruit from Sylhet after World War II. In 1950s, the number of migrants increased dramatically. The second generation migrants migrated before the World War II for higher education. At last, the third generation, the writer presented the statistics of Bangladeshi migrants according to the 2001 census in Britain. Discuss the use of facts and figures in the passage. What purpose do they serve? How are they organized? We find different facts and figures in the passage. Some facts show when Sylhetis migrated to Britain in 1930s after the World War II and in 1950s. Highest number of Sylhetis migrated in 1950s. Again, some facts show which classes of migrants went to Britain. For example, at the beginning, landless and illiterate men migrated to Britain. Later, upper urban and middle class Bangladeshis migrated for higher education. Some figures show the percentage of Bangladeshis migrants of local population. in Britain. According to 2001 census, Bangladeshi migrants are 0.5% of the total population of the UK, United Kingdom. The facts also give us the idea about whether Bangladeshi migrants are linked to their roots or not. We find that Bangladeshi migrants prefer to uphold Muslim identity rather than their identity of Bangladeshis. This is the synopsis of the passage. Summary according okay, thank you everybody.